He must stay still. A keen-eyed parrot snake, a frog hunting specialist. Once it's locked on to a target, it rarely goes hungry. He sits tight and does something magical. But he packs 90% of his blood cells into his liver, hiding them away, and starts to become transparent. Then he shrinks many of his organs to a third of their original size. But even one move would reveal his presence. No wonder he's known as a glass frog. Protecting yourself is not always about how well you fight, but how well you avoid one.